My name is Daniel Cruz. I'm 33 and I'm a bladesmith here at Serenity Knives in Houston, Texas. Knife making is personal in the sense that you're going to be dealing with your skill in your hands. There's always a new battle in what you're trying to achieve in something as far as an aesthetic look or a certain type of grind or performance in a knife. And so a lot of the times it's what can you do better than you did with the last knife or the last project, and what you can do to come out better skilled or with a new skill with each knife. So that way there's just that constant improvement with each new project. When you're working on a knife, sometimes you get into this flow state, and what I mean by that is everything starts to just tunnel itself. You know what's next, you know what steps to go next. You know that after this is working for you, you can get into this step a little easier. As everything starts to move really well, you get this match of your skill along with everything cooperating, and it creates this nirvana-like sense where you're just interacting with the knife. Everything you're doing, all your emotion, everything you're thinking gets put into this project. And if you can both mesh well, the flow becomes so beautiful that you almost get entranced in it. And that's the best day that I can have, is if I can get entranced into a knife and get as much of what I'm trying to get accomplished done in that flow state where everything just so smooth and just going through with this nice flow. The finish is always one of the things that brings out the beauty in the knife. So with the Damascus knife, etching it to bring out that difference of the carbon layers and the nickel silver is always a beautiful thing for me to achieve, especially because you have to have it polished really well in order for that finish to come out really, really well. But at the end of it all, it's all about how the knife is sharp and performed. So sharpening is one of those intimate moments for me that I know when I'm taking my time the right way, the correct ways, I almost don't have to test the knife. I just know the knife is where it needs to be, and that becomes this relationship that I get involved with each knife, because it's the finishing touch. It's our last moments together before it goes up and it becomes a product that someone else is going to take home after being with me for so long.